There's ice in the bird bath. I think it's 29 degrees out right now. And I want to give a quick tour and show you what's been happening, what's blooming now. We have sunflowers even when it's 29 degrees out. And I cut everything back. Wow, we even have a rose. There's a rose right there, see it? But let's take a look because it's not going to get any warmer for the rest of the year. I got my plants inside and I still need to straighten them up in there, but I'll bring you in. My Fragnancia is blooming. I'll bring you in and show you that on another date. I gotta get them a little bit looking better before I give you up close. But it is cold and really windy. But it has been really windy and it's been below freezing a couple times. And this is what's left of the cottagey garden, pretty ravaged by some cold nights and heavy winds. I have to cut it all back. This is taking the cold pretty well. What are you doing, Fred? Get out. The next thing I want to tackle is there's a couple of small dahlias. There's one over here, there's one over there that I need to dig out. Go lay down, Freya. Freya, will you get out of here, please? bring this one inside. It may still flower some over the winter. All right, so that's that one. Over here, there's one more. I think there's another one yet. I have to find it. I store my tubers in a paper bag in my basement till spring, checking on them every once in a while to make sure they're not too dried out and shriveled. Thank you so much for being here with me in the garden. And Freya, stay tuned. I still want to show you the plants on my porch. Till next episode. Bye for now.